Díomh agus fáiltearás go dtí Irish language teacher is Smisha Breach. So today, Craig Nuna Craig, believe it or not, I'm going to do a little bit of vocabulary around an nullig, Christmas. So I put together a phrase card as usual, and you're going to have on this side Christmas greetings, New Year's greetings, and then up here we've got one verse of Silent Night, and then here just some general vocabulary around Christmas that you might find useful to just throw into a sentence here or there on Christmas Day, or if you're helping with the preparations for the dinner. Okay, so let's just go through that. So, greetings at the top of the page. Banachti, Banachti. Season's greetings. Banachti and Taoiseach, Banachti and Taoiseach. Happy Christmas, Nullig Honna, Nullig Honna. Now, if you wanted to say Happy Christmas to you, you would say Nullig Honna Ditch, and that's to one person. Nullig Honna Ditch. And if you want to say it to more than one person, you say Nullig Honna Jeev. Nullig Honna Jeev. Every blessing on you. Gach Banacht Urt. Again, Urt means one person. Gach Banacht Urt. And to turn that into a plural, you would say Gach Banacht Urav, to more than one person. So every blessing on you, either one person or more than one person. Every happiness on you. Gach Sunnas Urt. Or to more than one person, Gach Sunnas Urav. With best wishes. Le gach ja ri. Le gach ja ri. Christmas Day. La nullag. Christmas Eve. Iha nullag. Thanksgiving. La altiha. La altiha. Grace. Altu. So the day of Thanksgiving is actually the day of grace. That's how it literally translates. So the word grace is altu. Thanksgiving is la altiha. So it comes from that word altu, meaning grace. Okay. Festive blessings. Banachti na féla. Banachti na féla. St. Stephen's Day. La Ila Stefan. La Ila Stefan. The day of the wren. La Androling. La Androling. The wren boys. Nadrolini. Nadrolini. And finally, mummers. Na clamory. So the Christmas traditions of the wren boys and the mummers are where people would get dressed up in disguise and go from house to house playing music and telling stories and having the crack. So we have na drolini for the wren boys and na clamory for the mummers. Okay, so we move on now to the New Year's greetings in the orange section. Okay, so New Year's Eve. Iha chin blina. Iha chin blina. Another way of saying New Year's Eve is Iha na shan vlina. Iha na shan vlina. And a third way of saying New Year's Eve is Iha na coda mora. Iha na coda moira. Okay, New Year's Day. La Calia. La Calia. And more commonly, you would hear La na bliana ura. No, La na bliana ura. And also you will hear La na bliana nua. La na bliana nua. So New Year's Day. So to move on, if you were saying Happy New Year, you would say Avlian fui washa. Avlian fui washa. And again, we would add on ditch for one person, jeev for more than one person. So Happy New Year to you, one person. Avlian Fuiwasha Ditch. And to more than one person, Avlian Fuiwasha Jeev. And then another way of saying it again is Blian Ur Wai. Blian Ur Wai. And again, you can add on ditch for one person, Jeev for more than one person. Okay, wishing you every happiness in the new year. Le gach ra agus shean urt san avlian. Le gach ra agus shean urt san avlian. With every happiness of the new for the new year on you. So again, that urt can be changed to urav if you want to say it to more than one person. So I think that's quite a nice little phrase maybe for writing on a Christmas card, New Year's card. Le gach ra agus shean urt or urav san avlian. Okay, so I hope it makes sense on the phrase card because you can see the difference between urt and urav. Okay, now may we last the year is another phrase that's not necessarily used particularly in the new year. It can be used at any time of the year, but is poignant enough at the start of the year to say, you know, I hope we all survive the year. So Gomara Mwij and Vlian. Gomara Mwij and Vlian. And then may you last the year, Gomara Tu and Vlian. And to turn that into a plural, may you plural last the year, Gomara Shiv and Vlian. So it's wishing somebody the best of health for the following year or good luck for their year. Okay, let's move on to Silent Night. Silent Night. Okay, so I am not going to sing it for you. I'm hoping that you know the melody of Silent Night, but I am going to go through the pronunciation. Okay, so Iha Huan. Iha Huan means a quiet night or silent night. Iha Huan. So Iha Huan, Iha Vic J. Koch ina Suan, Jish Ian. Jish is Jilsha ag Fira le Spare. Ninon Biog. Cansa is Quiv. Christ ina Chola go Shiv. Christ ina Chola go Shiv. So let's go through that again. Iha Huan, Iha Vic J. Koch ina Suan, Jish Ian. Jish is Jilsha ag Fira le Spare. Ninon Biog, Cansa is Quiv. Christ ina Chola go Shiv. Christ ina Chola go Shiv. Okay, so you'll see that there are italics in English on the left hand side underneath the lyrics, and that will explain how it was translated, what it literally means in translation. So you'll see that Iha Kuan literally means quiet night. Iha Vic J literally means night of the Son of God. Koch ina Suan, everyone in their slumber. Jish Ian, two alone. Jish is Jilsha, two most loyal. Igfira le Spare, looking at the sky. Ninon Biog, little infant. Cansa is Quiv, gentle and dear. Christ in a chola go Shiv, Christ sleeping gently. Christ in a chola go Shiv, Christ sleeping gently. So it is Silent Night, but we have not translated it absolutely literally to reflect, for example, Round John Virgin, Mother and Child. And you'll see that for the sake of melody and for the sake of the Irish language, we've kind of made it our own. So that is Silent Night, as Gaeilge in Irish. Okay, so finally we'll move on to our little Buska Corcra, our little purple box. And that's going to be just the general Christmas vocabulary using the word nullag, Christmas. Okay, so Christmas tree, cran nullag. The Christmas tree, cran na nullag. So you'll see that the word na is going to be in brackets in the middle of the two words. Cran na nullag. The tree of Christmas, the Christmas tree. Okay, so the Christmas lights, sulsha na nullag. Sulsha na nullag. Now, if at any point you want to take out the word the, just leave out the word na. So Christmas lights would be sulsha nullag. The Christmas lights, sulsha na nullag. Christmas dinner, jinner nullag. The Christmas dinner, jinner na nullag. Christmas turkey, turkey nullag. The Christmas turkey, turkey na nullag. Now I'm putting more emphasis on na than is normal, but so just maybe tone it down a wee bit. Okay, okay. The Christmas ham, liawas na nullag. Liawas na nullag. A Christmas ham would just be liawas nullag. Liawas nullag. Christmas pudding, marog nullag. Marog nullag. The Christmas pudding, marog na nullag. Mince pie, piog bhionra. Piog bhionra. Cream, uachtar. Now, if you want to change that into mince pies, it's piogi bhionra. So let's move on to Christmas punch. Punch na nullag, or punch nullag. Punch na nullag, or just punch nullag. A Christmas drink, jock nullag. Jock nullag. The Christmas drink, jock na nullag. Jock na nullag. Christmas presents, bruntanish nullag. Bruntanish nullag. The Christmas presents, bruntanish na nullag. Bruntanish na nullag. Christmas television, telefish nullag. The Christmas television, telefish na nullag. Father Christmas, Daddy na nullag, or just Daddy nullag. Santa Claus, San Nicholas. San Nicholas, which comes from Saint Nicholas. So Santa Claus comes from the Saint Nicholas. So this is in Irish, San Nicholas. And reindeer, one reindeer is Rian Ia. Rian Ia. And more than one reindeer is Rian Iana. Rian Iana. So hopefully that will give you plenty of vocabulary for writing your Carthy na nullag, your Christmas cards, Carthy na nullag, and maybe having a bit of a chat on Law na nullag, Christmas Day, and just enjoying the festivities, enjoying the Saoirse na nullag, agus Law na nullag, agus Bruntanish na nullag, and do lots of singing of Iha Huan. Okay, nullag honna, Jeeve ar fad. Slán go fóill.